Hello guys, welcome back to Zik, the programming guy channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use Bumpy dating app. Right, so first step is you have to go to your Play Store or Apple Store and search for Bumpy dating app. So once you search for it, click on install that app up and open it up. So once you open it up, first thing you need to know about Bumpy app is to find international soulmates, make friends, and know about culture, make travels as well. So how are you going to sign up? Click on continue Google and select the account you want to use. So once you select that, they're going to process the Gmail and you type in your name. Just leave it as upgrade though. Then you can click on this arrow, click on that and wait for that. Put in your date of birth, whatever. Yeah. Click on accept, female, put your gender, click on the arrow, choose the gender you're looking for, and your goal. My goal is to find a relationship, build my profile, select what you like to do most. I'm just picking randomly though, right? So then you click on that. You can skip, just pick anything. We'll just pick anything. Never, okay. Single, not yet, never, cards, Christianity, career and money. I am a chill person, right? So add a photo. See, you just have to add a photo of yourself, right? So let me look for a photo of myself. Okay, don't mind my gallery, it's a lot. Yeah, let's just use this and save. You're supposed to add about 6 photos, but click on the arrow next and wait for it. So they're going to send, I think, a video. Let me reduce my volume a little bit.
Most dating apps make you think you're the problem. Wrong photo, wrong bio, wrong everything. But nobody tells you this. Maybe it's wrong location. Many people get
so it's going to take a while though to finish.
They become instantly attractive when they're in another country.
They're actually saying about the app.
Countries have different dating markets, and that's the reason Bumpy is here. Our groundbreaking AI scans 195 countries to find where people prefer someone like you. Because dating isn't about becoming more attractive. It's about finding where you're already attractive. Ready to change your life?
Ready to change your life? Try Bumpy Gold now, right? So you have to actually subscribe to get more features on this app. So that's why they tell you to try Bumpy Gold now. So you can see the subscription plan for 1 month, 1 week, 3 months, 6 months as well. So once you want to try, click on continue. So now how does it work? The app work. Once you click to the left, you don't like the person. Click to the right, you like the person. Hello. Click to the left, you don't like the person. Click on pass. Click to the right, you like the person. Click to the left, you don't like the person. That's how it works. And you can see your profile right here. See, this is my profile. You need to do some arrangements as well on your profile to make it look nice. Click on that. So you have to add photos, add a prompt, answer, and your interest about yourself, your goal. So literally about a lot of things you need to just fill in right there. And how to upgrade to gold, because it's really necessary, because you can't even send message. What you need to do is once you select the plan you want, you can just click on continue. So once you click on continue, you can either add your card, or if you already have a card, you can just click on subscribe. So once you click on subscribe, it's going to get subscribed from your account, and you can now start using your gold. Right, so this is the map. Once you turn on your location, you can see many people around you, far from you, though it's international, not within your country, right? So people is where you have to choose a lot of people, and Like here, once you subscribe to Gold, you can now see who liked you, who viewed you, and who sent you messages. Once you click on chat, you can see that as well. But you have to subscribe. So it's all about subscribing. So let's click on the settings to see how other things you need to know about that. So you can click on hide your age, hide my country and city, my online status, follow on your Instagram translator. So you can do all those ones if you want to really do it. So this is all about Bumpy. What the things you need to know about the app. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.